Hey everyone, today I will show you how to turn on or off the keyboard sound on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to scroll down to System and Sounds and Haptics. Tap on this option and then scroll down again and tap on Volume Limit and customize your volume limit as you want. uh, Click on this keyboard feedback option and turn off this option called sound. As you can see, mine is turned on. Just turn it off and that's it. Now your keyboard sound is turned off. This is as simple as that. And make sure to check your silent mode. If your phone is in silent mode, keyboard sounds won't play even if they are turned on. If you want to hear your keyboard sound, make sure that your silent mode is on. That's it. Now you know how to turn keyboard sounds on or off on your iPhone 16 lineup. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next video.